Hello student, good morning. Today we will study Visa's third chapter, The Journey to the End of the Earth Remains part. This chapter is written by Tishani Doshi. In previous part we had studied the introduction of the chapter in which a writer and some of the other members visited the continent Antarctica and what did she feel there. We studied the introduction of the chapter and also we studied the part of history. 650 million years ago there was a giant साउदर्न सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट गोंडवाना और इसमें सब अमेरिका नॉर्थ अमेरिका सॉरी साउथ अमेरिका एंड इंडिया वर द पार्ट ऑफ एंटार्क्टिका और ग्रेजुअली दे गॉट सेपरेटेड. South America touched to North America and India got joined with Asia continent and how Himalaya was created. वो हमने पहले पार्ट में देखा था. Now what is the human impact? Human civilization have been around for a paltry 12,000 years, barely a few seconds on the geological clock. So here the word paltry means insignificant, which is not very important और इतने ज़्यादा साल नहीं हुए हैं. barely means only. So human life on earth has been since petty means paltry 12,000 years, which convert into a few seconds on the geological clock. because अगर हम देखें तो 650 millions, वहाँ पर तो 12,000 years it's nothing. In that short amount of time, we have managed to create a quite ruckus. Ruckus means a row of or commotions or rocks भी कह सकते हैं. Eating our dominance over nature with our villages, towns, cities, mega cities. It happens only in 12,000 years. क्या बने नेचर के साथ हम रहते रहते यहाँ पर विलेज बने, टाउन्स बने, सिटीज़ बनी एंड मेगा सिटीज़ बनी. दिस हैपन्ड ड्यूरिंग दी 12,000 years. 12 साल के अंदर ही बनी है. The rapid increase of human population has left us battling with other species for limited resources, and the unmitigated burning of fossil fuels has now created a blanket of carbon dioxide around the world, which is slowly but surely increasing the average global temperature. As we know that आपको भी कई बार पूछा गया है कि व्हाट इज़ पोल्यूशन, और पोल्यूशन पर ऐसे लिखे, पोल्यूशन पर अपनी स्पीच दीजिए, व्हाट इज़ पोल्यूशन. तो पॉपुलेशन, एज द पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज द पोल्यूशन ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड एंड इट इज़ लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेस और इसके लिए बैटलिंग हो रहा है. द वर्ड अनमिटिगेटेड मीन्स अनकंडीशनल और ये बैटलिंग हो रहा है. रिजल्ट क्या आया? द रिजल्ट इज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. Climate change is one of the most hotly contested environment debates of our time, and it becomes a debatable topic. We all people discuss about it. We people think about it. We people are trying to get the solution of it. Will the West Antarctic ice sheet melt entirely? क्या वो पूरा melt हो जाएगा? Will the Gulf Stream ocean's current be disrupted? वो क्या डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा? उसमें कोई खलेल पहुँचेगी? Will it be the end of the world as we know it? क्या पूरी अर्थ का विनाश हो जाएगा? Maybe, may not be. हो सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. Either way, Antarctica is a crucial element in the debate, not just because it's the place and the world which has never sustained a human population and therefore remains relatively pristine in this respect, but more importantly because it holds in its ice cores 500,000 years old carbon records trapped in its layer of ice. Here the word pristine, it means unspoiled, कि अभी वो spoil ना हुआ हो. So this continent is only on the earth which is unspoiled. अभी वो spoil नहीं हुआ. There is no population on this continent or on this place. अभी तक वहाँ पर कोई पॉपुलेशन नहीं है, अनटच्ड है अभी. Regardless, Antarctica remains an important part, not only because it is untouched by humans but also because of the ice core's 500,000 years old carbon records trapped in its layers of ice. रिकॉर्ड है वहाँ पर, सालों का रिकॉर्ड है वहाँ पर. According to the author, if one wishes to study and analyze Earth past, present and future, Antarctica is the place to go. अगर उसने वहाँ पर संभाल कर रखा है हिस्ट्री को, दैट इज़ वाई दिस इज़ द प्लेस विच गिव्स अस द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ अर्थ्स पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर, एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ सुटेबल प्लेस टू गो एंड स्टडी अबाउट इट. Students on ICE, the program I was working with on Shokesky, aims to do exactly this by taking high school students to the ends of the world and providing them with inspiring educational opportunities which will help them foster a new understanding and respect for our planet. And here Tisani Dosi with the student. Why she was there with the student? Because there is a word foster. Foster means encouragement. There is an encouragement for them to understand and respect for our planet, because only next generation can save it and we can save it. अगर हम सेव करेंगे तो ही नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए कुछ बचेगा, and they will also understand if we have to make them understand. It's been in operation for 6 years now. And how many years? It was 6 years. Headed by Canadian Geoff Green, who got tired of carting celebrities and retired. Rich curiosity seekers who could only give back in a limited way. Here there's an information that who was headed this program. The Canadian person Geoff Green, who got tired of carting. Carting means carry with, and here celebrities it means difficult. Who is retired person, rich, and yes, obviously curiosity seekers who could only give back in the limited way. With students on ICE, here Tisani Dosi with the students. He offers the future generation of policymaker a life-changing experience at age when they are ready to absorb, learn, and most importantly, act. एज इट इज़ लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. एक बार वहाँ पर जो जाता है उसके लिए एक दैट इज़ समथिंग एल्स. जो एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है वो कई किताबों के पढ़ने के बाद भी नहीं मिलता. सो इट वॉज अ लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस एट एन एज वेयर दे आर रेडी टू एब्जॉर्ब, लर्न एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली एक्ट. कि कुछ एक्ट करने का था. एक्ट मीन्स वी हैव टू सेव दी अर्थ. किसको सेव करेंगे? अगर अंटार्कटिका सेव हो गया तो अर्थ का कई सारा भाग और अर्थ को हम बचा सकते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट जनरेशन कैन सेव द अर्थ इफ दे अंडरस्टैंड द नेचर ऑफ द अर्थ वेरी वेल. The reason the program has been so successful is because it is impossible to go anywhere near the South Pole and not be affected by it. It's easy to be blase about polar ice caps melting while sitting in the comfort zone of our respective latitudes and longitudes. But when you can visibly see glacier retreating and ice shelves collapsing, you begin to realize that the threat of global warming is very real. Here writer is saying that the reason the program has been so successful, Cura, is it is because impossible to go anywhere near the South Pole and not be affected by उसको affected किए बिना हुआ. It's easy to be blase. Here the word blase means unimpressed with or indifferent to something because one has experienced or seen it so often before. So the program has been immensely successful in implementing its vision by the way people get affected by seeing the real scenario, because it is very easy to sit at home and talk about real issues. But actually seeing glaciers, retreating ice shelves, collapsing, it gives you glimpse into the future. It tells you that the very threat of global warming is real. सिटिंग इन अ कंफर्ट जोन, कहीं पर भी बैठकर इश्यूज़ पर बात करने से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो जगह पर जाकर रियल विज़न करे, तब जाके पता चलता है कि द आइस शील्ड दैट इज़ कलप्सिंग, जो गिर रही है और वो जो मेल्ट हो रही है, द थ्रेट ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज़ रियल. And that is why it is very important to show everything to the next generation. Let them understand the problem. Let them understand the problem and find its solution. Antarctica, because of her simple ecosystem and lack of biodiversity, and here there is no biodiversity, is the perfect place to study how little changes in the environment can have big repercussions. How the little change brings a big things, and that is why Antarctica is the suitable place to visit. Take the microscope. Phytoplankton, those grasses of the sea that nourish and sustain the entire southern ocean's food chain. This plant is only survival of the other creature. These single-celled plants use the sun's energy to assimilate carbon and synthesize organic compounds in that wondrous and most important of process called photosynthesis. This plant sustain मतलब जीवित रखना, sustains the entire southern ocean's food chain. Only this grass is the entire southern ocean's food chain. It depend, other animals depend on it. Now it has been recently concluded by scientists that a further depletion in the ozone layer can affect the activities of these single-celled plant and affect the marine life altogether. And because of the global warming, this plant also affected, उस पर भी बुरा असर पड़ रहा है. Thus, in this case, the saying comes true. Take care of the small things and the big things will fall into place. इसीलिए हमको छोटी सी चीज़ का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा ताकि कोई बड़ी समस्या होने से पहले हम उसको रोक सके. For the reference, you can see this plant in a picture, phytoplankton, which is one cell plant. Student, we had studied about the Antarctica, the part of history, human impact on Antarctica, the continent. Now, work on the oceans. My Antarctic experience was full of such epiphanies, but the best occurred just short of the Antarctic Circle at 65.55 degrees south. Here the word epiphanies, it means a sudden insight, understanding. Just short of the Arctic Circle at 65.55 degrees south. This is about her journey that circled, वो पूरे सर्कल में वहाँ पर घूम कर आए. The Shokalski had managed to wedge herself into a thick white stretch of ice between the peninsula and Tadpole Island, which was preventing us from going any further. So here writer is saying that कि पेनिनसुला और टेडपोल जो आइलैंड है उसके लिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पर वाइट बर्फ़ की जो स्ट्रेच जमी हुई होती है, स्ट्रेच मतलब सीधी वहाँ पर बर्फ़ की जो लंबी और थिक जो कतार होती है, उसके लिए थोड़ा प्रिवेंटिंग अस फ्रॉम द गोइंग फर्दर, उसके लिए थोड़ा वहाँ पर आगे जाने के लिए थोड़ा प्रिवेंट हुआ, रोका उसने. द कैप्टन डिसाइडेड वी वर गोइंग टू टर्न अराउंड एंड हेड बैक नॉर्थ. सो दे डिसाइडेड टू टर्न बैक, हेड बैक नॉर्थ. उसने सोचा कि वहाँ से बैक से नॉर्थ में जाया जाए. बट बिफोर वी डिड, वी वर ऑल इंस्ट्रक्टेड टू क्लाइम डाउन द gangplank and walk on the ocean. After then they were instructed to go there. So there we were, all 52 of us. There were 52 peoples knitted out in Gore-Tex and walking on a stark whiteness that seemed to spread out forever. So here the line used walk on the oceans. Walk on the oceans means वो पूरी बर्फ वहाँ पर ढका हुआ था, इसीलिए यहाँ पर वो जो है लाइन यूज़ की है. They were 52 peoples and they were interested to kit it out. Kit it out means projected. And the Gore-Tex and Glaris walking on stark whiteness that seemed to spread out forever. जैसे वहाँ से forever हमेशा के लिए वहाँ पर वो spread होकर पड़ा है. Underneath our feet was a meter thick ice pack, and underneath that 180 meters of living breathing salt water. क्योंकि ऊपर तो सिर्फ आइस है, 180 मीटर्स नीचे जो पूरा वाटर है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई हियर इट इज़ गिवन वॉक ऑन द ओशंस. In the periphery, crabbeater seals were stretching and sunning themselves on the ice floes, much like stray dogs will do under the shade of banyan trees. And here, those people saw many lots of seals. You know, it's a sea animal. दे वर स्ट्रेचिंग एंड शनिंग देमसेल्फ. धूप में स्ट्रेचिंग कर रहे थे और धूप ले रहे थे वहाँ पर आइस फ्लोस, मतलब आइस फ्लोइंग इन द सी. जैसे कि हमारे ज़मीन पर जैसे जो डॉग्स होते हैं वो बनियन ट्री के नीचे आराम करते हैं, वैसे वो वहाँ पर आराम कर रहे थे. इट वॉज नथिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ अ रिविलेशन. एवरीथिंग डज इंडीड कनेक्ट. 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and many ecosphere later, I was still wondering about the beauty of balance in play of our planet. And here, as we studied when the chapter was started, कि वो कहाँ से कितनी बार होकर वहाँ अंटार्कटिका पहुँची. तो 9 time zones, 6 वहाँ पर चेक पॉइंट्स थे, 3 bodies of water, and many ecosphere. In this way she reached there, she returned from there, and here writer is saying that she was still wondering, अभी भी उसके बारे में wondering यानी सोच रही about the beauty of balance in play of our planet. And he wondered what it would be like at Antarctica, the palace that houses over 90% of world's ice becomes warm again. He wonders if we will be there to see if it ever happens, but who knows? Thus, by seeing the spirit of teenagers who still are left with the courage to save the world, he talks about the uncertainty of events that can happen over a million years. She was there with the teenagers, with the students, and only teenagers who are the next generation. They can understand the nature very well, and they understand the balance of nature on the planet, and that is why if they understand very well, then they can save the earth. It is in their hands. उसके हाथ में है. अगर हमारा नेचर ही नहीं रहा तो हमारी लाइफ जो है वो अर्थ पर पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. नेचर है तो हम हैं. Today's homework, these question and answers that you are looking right now on the screen, only 30-40 words, and the exercise reading with insight, 4 question and answer. So total there are 8 question and answer you have to write in your homework book. Thank you and have a nice day.